This is a Hanover II 1860 square foot, 3-bedroom, 2-bath. These are oak cabinets with a stone stain. And this ceiling was done by Wardcraft, even in the dining room here. This is another great example of a white wood combination. And as you can see down the hallway, it doesn't make the house too dark. And this is a fabulous job matching the floor to the cabinets. Here's a fabulous ceiling. These again are linen. Try to show you close up. Tiny specks in it. Won't show dirt. Pantry here. Standard subway tile, but with a nice little mix in it. A really nice sink. Kohler sink. Here's what I really love. This is such a great accent. So it's wood stained, yet with the white trim on all the windows. And of course, this is the Craftsman trim. Moen faucets. Again, this fabulous ceiling. And I'm going to show you the other side of this island. This is drawers versus doors. On the right would be your trash can. Here is a Craftsman railing. Great combination of the wood and white. Super nice living room. And you go back around and you see the combination of the dark with the white still. Really nice sized dining area here in this Hanover II. Again, 1860 square foot. And I'll pan up to this ceiling. It's a great combination on these doors. Two windows in here and our famous 3 windows behind your bed. Looks really good with that stain. Oh, this is a phenomenal bathroom. Simple, yet it looks really nice. This might be a cobblestone color, I'm unsure. Privacy for your toilet. Standard shower with a shower curtain. A linen closet behind there. This homeowner just moved in, so we're getting a peek inside some of this. Great time to shoot homes. And I'm going to take you to her other bathroom. This is the second bath. After the master, again, standard tub and shower, but it looks great. Wood wrapped mirror. I'll give you one more peek back at the kitchen. Oh, We'll zoom around this whole thing here. She has a fabulous front door too. Pretty typical. Something someone might order. Looks beautiful. We'll go back around to the kitchen.